Welcome back, everyone. Today we're exploring a fascinating and controversial idea from UFO and New Age circles, the Galactic Federation. Is there really a council of benevolent extraterrestrial civilizations watching over Earth? Let's dive into the believers' version of this story. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This episode explores beliefs and reported claims. None of this is presented as established fact, but bring open-minded curiosity and let's keep the conversation respectful. Alright? Okay. The idea of a galactic federation has deep roots in New Age and UFO religions. In the 1980s, Sheldon Neidel's Ground Crew project told followers they were preparing humanity for a large-scale first contact with a coalition of extraterrestrial civilizations. Members often saw themselves as intermediaries between Earth and this supposed federation. Then, in December 2020, retired Israeli space security chief Chaim Eshed made headlines worldwide. He claimed that aliens have been in contact with the US and Israel for years, that agreements were signed to conduct experiments on Earth, and that there's even an underground base on Mars, where humans and alien representatives collaborate. According to Eshed, a galactic federation asked governments to keep quiet, because humanity isn't ready. These statements fueled speculation, but also drew strong skepticism from scientists and space agencies. But no surprise there. So who's allegedly in this federation? Believer sources describe intergalactic federations as alliances of different extraterrestrial civilizations, sometimes spanning multiple star systems. They're portrayed as having a structured form of governance, almost like an interstellar diplomatic union, meant to maintain peace, cooperation, and mutual advancement. Commonly named member species include the Pleiadians from the Pleiades star cluster, Arcturians from Arcturus, Sirians from Sirius, and Lyrans, Andromedans, and many others. You'll also hear the term Galactic Federation of Light, portrayed as spiritually advanced beings helping Earth through a process of Ascension. Believers say this council exists because advanced civilizations care about our world. They claim the Federation safeguards peace, prevents misuse of technology, upholds universal law, and guides emerging civilizations like ours toward higher consciousness. Ground crew style teachings often frame our role as raising our vibration to be ready for contact. Eshed's claims fit that arc too. The Federation remains hidden until humanity is mature enough to handle the truth. What messages come through from these supposed space allies? Channeled communications often emphasize love, unity, and stewardship of Earth. They encourage us to release fear and choose a more harmonious way of living. Many contact stories describe calm and healing light and subtle guidance rather than invasive encounters. In this view, Federation members are benevolent, interested in the welfare of humanity and the planet, and are depicted as spiritually advanced guides helping Earth ascend. You'll also see contemporary voices shaping the online believers landscape, most notably Kabamur and the family of Taygeta, often shortened to FOT. They present messages they say are from Pleiadians of 7D Taygeta, so the 7th density, shared publicly and framed within Galactic Federation mythos. In their telling, the Federation is a Pleiadian-founded alliance, joined by Arcturians, Sirians, Andromedans, and others, serving Source, acting as peacekeepers and teaching spiritual principles to developing worlds. They describe Starseeds, soul incarnating on Earth to assist in the shift of consciousness, and speak of a coming shift to a higher frequency, or to Sheen. You'll also hear about small Federation craft or fleets, sometimes designed to appear innocuous like lanterns or drones, to gently pique curiosity without fear, as part of a gradual disclosure. They know where the cameras are and they show their lights because they want to be seen. As with everything in this episode, these are claims from believer communities. We're mapping the landscape, not verifying it. Of course, mainstream scientists urge caution. Again, no surprise there. Many consider extraterrestrial life plausible. The talk of a literal Galactic Federation secretly managing events on Earth is widely viewed as unsubstantiated. Space agencies, of course, emphasize that so far we haven't found signs of extraterrestrial life, believe them or not. Distinguishing between mythic narratives and verifiable data is essential, of course. Still, there's a lot of UFO community hints that say this exists. So what do we take away from all of this? For many, the Galactic Federation is a symbol of hope, a vision of a universe where advanced beings champions peace, unity, and growth. Whether you see it as inspiring mythology or literal truth, it reflects a deep human longing for connection, transformation, and cosmic family. If you've had a contact experience or received a message you believe is related to the Federation, also let me know in the comments and we may feature your story in a future episode. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this helped you map the believer's landscape, like, subscribe, and share. As always, stay curious and keep looking up. And remember, you are not crazy. You are awake. Thank you for watching The Drip System. Bye.